Number 4 of exercise 2.5. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. We have to expand these followings by using suitable identities. Factors are given. In question number 3, expanded form are given and we have to find the factors. Now, factors are given and we have to find their and we have to expand them by using suitable identities. Okay, let's see the solution of question number 4. Okay, first part of question number 4 is whole square of x plus 2y plus 4z. Okay, it is whole square of x plus 2y plus 4z. Which identity we should use here? Okay, the identity number 5. The identity number 5 which is given in book is whole square of x plus y plus z. Okay, so here also x plus 2y plus 4z, but it is in question it is also in the x plus x y z. One thing remember, the identity, the variables of the identity and the variables of the question always should be distinct, means they are different. So we can't change the variables of the question, but we can change the variables of the identity. The identity are in the form of x, are in the x y z. So we can make them in a b c p q r in any other variable except x y z. So we use that identity number 5 in p q r. So whole square of p plus q plus r is equals to p square plus q square plus r square plus 2 pq plus 2 qr plus 2 rp, where p equal x, q equal 2y and r equal 4z. Okay, so put p equal x, q equal 2y and r equal 4z in above identity, and this is the identity number 5. So after putting the values we will get p equal x. So in place of p put x, in place of q put 2y and in place of r 4z, and their whole square equal square of p, so x square, square of q and qr, so whole square of 2y plus r square, so whole square of 4z plus 2p, p is x, so 2 into x plus q and q is 2y, so 2y plus 2q, value of q is 2y, r value of r is 4z plus 2 r, value of r is 4z, and p, and value of p is x. Okay, now we have to solve only the right hand side of the equation. Identity x square whole square of 2y, square of 2 is 4 and square of y is y square, square of 4 is 16 and square of z is z square plus, now product them, 2 into x 2x, 2x into 2y is 4xy plus 2 into 2 4, 4 in 2 into 2y is 4y, 4y into 4z is 16yz. Remember one thing, we can't add or subtract the unlike terms, but we can multiply the unlike terms. Here x and 2y are unlike terms, we can multiply them, but we can't add them. Here we can't add x, 2y and 4z because all three are the unlike terms, but here we multiply x and 2y, 2y and 4z because unlike terms can be multiplied but they can't be add and subtract. So 2 into 2y and 4z, their product is 16yz plus 2 into 4 8, 8 into z 8z into x is 8zx. Okay, now we can add any terms here? No, because all are the unlike terms. Here x square, there is no other terms in which x square, it is y square, there is no other term in which y square, z square, there is no other term of z square, xy, no other term of xy, yz, no other term of yz, zx, no term of other term of zx. So all terms, all these six terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6, all 6 terms are unlike terms, so we can't add and subtract them. Okay, so the expanded form of first part of question number 4 is this. Okay, so we have to write in the last that thus the required expansion is x square plus 4y square plus 16 z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. That's it. Okay, now the next second part of the question. Okay, second part is 2x minus y plus z whole square of 2x minus y plus z. So we'll use the same identity which we used in first part. Okay, which is whole square of p plus q plus r, which is equals to p square plus q square plus r square plus 2pq plus 2qr plus 2rp. Okay, we have to put p equal 2x and q equal minus y, because here q is positive but here the value of q is negative, so we have to put q equal minus y and r equal z. Okay, if it is also in negative, so then no need to write the minus sign, but it is positive and here the value of q is negative, so we have to write along the value of q with the sign of negative. Put in above identity. Okay, above identity. So bracket p is 2x plus q, but q is negative, so bracket minus y plus r, value of r is z, whole square equal p square means whole square of 2x plus q square and value of q is minus y, so whole square of minus y plus r square and value of r is z, so whole square of z plus 2, value of p 2x and value of q minus y. Next, okay, we'll continue in the next page. There we'll put the value of 2qr and 2rp. Okay, there is the 2qr, so 2 and value of q is minus y and value of r is z plus 2rp, value of r is z and value of p is 2x. Now we have to solve. So first term of our next previous page is 2 whole square of 2x, and whole square of 2x, square of 2 is 4 and square of x is 4x square, so 4x square. Second term is whole square of minus y, square of minus is plus and square of y is y square. Third term is z square, so square of z is z square, and the next term is 2 into 2x into minus y, so 2 into 2x is 4x into minus y minus 4xy. Then next term is 2 into minus y into z, so 2 into minus y minus 2y into z is minus 2yz. Okay, this term 2 into minus y minus 2y into z is minus 2yz plus 2 into z 2z into 2x 4zx. Okay, now we'll open the brackets. 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx, and also one bracket in the left hand side, and the left hand side is 2x. We have to open the bracket of minus y, so plus minus y is minus y plus z and their whole square, so 2x minus y plus z their whole square. So thus required expansion is 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Now the third part of the question. Okay, now the third part is whole square of minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z. We'll use the same identity which we used in first and second part. So p plus q plus r and their whole square equals to p square plus q square plus r square plus 2pq plus 2qr plus 2rp. Put p equal minus 2x. Okay, here p is positive but the value of p is negative, that's why value of p is minus 2x. Q equal 3y and r equal to z. In above identity. Okay, so put the values of PQR, where P equal minus 2x, Q equal 3y and R equal 2z, their whole square. We put the values of PQR in the left side of an identity. Now we have to put the value of PQR in the right side of the identity. P square, so whole square of minus 2x. Q square, so value of Q is 3y, so whole square of 3y. R square, value of R is 2z, so whole square of 2z, plus 2pq, so 2 into value of p is minus 2x and value of q is 3y, plus 2qr, value of q is 3y and value of r is 2z, plus 2rp, 2 value of r is 2z and value of p is minus 2x. Now open all the brackets of right hand side. Square, whole square of minus 2x, square of minus is plus, square of 2 is 4 and square of x is x square, plus square of 3 is 9, square of y is y square, plus square of 2 is 4 and square of z is z square, so 4z square. Now 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 and minus 12 plus minus 12 is minus 12 and also multiply this variable which are x and y, so minus 12xy. Now 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12, so plus 12yz. 2 into 2 4, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 and this plus minus, so minus 8 and also multiply the product, so 8xz or zx. So this is the expansion of third part. So thus required expansion is 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8xz. That's it. This is the expansion of third part. Here we can also write zx. Okay, now the remaining three parts will continue in next video.